Hey guys, I'm Alex with Sherpa Equipment Company. We make premium roof rack systems here. Pretty much everything is made in-house. We outsource just a couple things, including our crossbars and our powder coat. It's all USA made, USA sourced materials, and we make it right here in Colorado. So this is our showroom here at Sherpa. We're located in Berthoud, Colorado. So if you ever want to come by, check out some of the products that we make, some of the outside vendor products that we offer as well with our rack systems. This is a great place to come get your hands on stuff. You can talk to our great customer service team. Usually Brooke's sitting up here to talk to you guys. And then we also have a nice spot to hang out so we can do installs on your vehicles, whatever it may be, we can get you dialed in. So this is our marketing space. This is one of our newest departments here at Sherpa. So it's a little bit of a work in progress, but we have 2 new employees that we took on this year. They're doing all of our marketing in-house. We're really excited to grow this and put some more time into this area so these guys have a nice spot to be creative and continue to give you guys the cool content that we try and push out on a regular basis. We're up in our shipping room right now. This is where we have a lot of our products stored on the shelves. It's a little light right now. We just got through Black Friday, so they're in the process of filling the shelves back up. So we have racks in stock for our consumers as well as our dealers. So we have pretty much everything back here, big backstock crossbars. We have individual components over that direction. And yeah, we'll show you the rest of the shipping space. Behind me is our shipping team, putting a bunch of racks together. This is where they're throwing everything in boxes and getting them ready to go on the UPS truck. So this is our hardware room. This is where we pack all of the hardware for all our racks. It's a pretty hands-on process, but we make sure to do it all right. So we're in our second room now. This one kind of just has a lot of random bits and pieces, but mainly our race trucks in here. This is the race car that we race, King of the Hammers, a full Ultra 4 season in. We're gonna try and get into some desert racing this year. We're actually in the process of getting this prepped for King of the Hammers. So this truck's gonna go on jack stands and ripped apart this week. If you guys wanna see more about the racing, just go check us out at Sherpa Motorsports. So something that we really like about the racing is it gives us an opportunity to really put our products through a really strenuous testing environment. We've had this rack on this truck for 3 years now, racing, and we've even done some races with a rooftop tent. So it's a really great way for us to just prove our products. So behind me, this is our 2020 Ford Super Duty, and we just did a line of racks for these trucks. We're really excited to get these out. We released these on Thursday. This is our Tundra rack, and then we have one for the 2021 Plus F-150 as well, called our Storm. So this space has normally just been used for working on projects here, but we do have big plans to bring powder coat in-house, so it's one less thing that we're having to outsource, and we can have that quality control in-house. So we're really excited to get powder coat going in here. So this is our third building. This is all production and R&D. So back here we have our fiber laser, our time saver, our tumbler, and then our CNC press. So this is where the racks are cut, made, cleaned, and put together before we send them off to powder coat. And then we also have our R&D space back here. Right now they're working on this Ram 3500. So Scott's working on this Ram 3500 to get rack design for it, and this is a drill rack. So with something like this, first thing we usually do is we drop the headliner or make some access points to get in there to make sure that where we're going to be drilling is the ideal spot into the roof so that the install is easy on the end user. And then we also do a full 3D scan of the cab so that we can design the rack in CAD, and then we can bring it to the laser and start doing our prototyping of actual product and get it onto the truck. So behind me is our 8K Mazak fiber laser. This has load unload automation. So this allows us to load up a full stack of sheets, and we can program them all individually, and this thing will run through the whole stack of sheets, load them up on the machine, and then also unload them. And all we have to do when it's finished is come in, get that all the unloaded parts, and then we can pop them all out. So it's really nice. We can run this after hours. It doesn't need anyone watching it when we're doing that. It's all ran by computers. Super cool. So this little table over here is where we do all of our molded parts. These are all just rubber molds, and then we pour the material. And Some of the stuff we do outsource, but for the most part, like all of our front leveling feet are made right here by our guys. Something really cool about us here at Sherpa is pretty much everyone that works for us is into the industry. They all have Toyotas, or some of them have some other vehicles, but they love off-roading, they love getting out camping, so much so that we've made it a point here. Every month we take everyone out on a normal work day to go camp or go wheel and hang out, and we pay them for it. It's a great way for us to find new products, to test current products, think of new ideas, and it keeps our culture really tight-knit, and everyone just has a good time doing it. So we put a lot of focus into that. Thanks for checking out our shop, guys. If you have any questions about any of it, definitely shoot us an email. Go to our website, check out the website. We have a great YouTube channel so you can watch about the racks, cover install videos, and check that stuff out if you're interested. We just released our Super Duty and F-150 products if you're interested in those. We're working on an 80 series Land Cruiser rack. We're also working on that Ram, as you saw, so trying to hit that whole Ram truck line. And then we also just have more stuff down the pipeline. We want to get into the Jeep market a little bit. So a lot of cool new stuff coming. So be sure to check us out. Check us out at Sherpa EC on Instagram. Also, if you want to follow the racing, Sherpa Motorsports. And then our YouTube is Sherpa Equipment Company, as well as Sherpa Motorsports. So you can follow along and see everything that we have going on.